Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw using 0% APR balance transfer offers from Chase step by. To withdraw using 0% APR balance transfer offers from Chase, start by reviewing your credit card offers. Log into your Chase account. Navigate to the credit cards section. Find the card that includes the 0% APR balance transfer offer. Click on the card to view the details. Take note of the promotional period for the balance transfer offers. Check the transfer fee associated with the offer, as it may vary. Determine how much you want to transfer. Ensure you have enough available credit for the transfer amount. Click on the balance transfer option. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. Provide the details for the card from which you are transferring the balance. Review the terms and conditions carefully. Confirm that all information is accurate before proceeding. Submit your balance transfer request. Wait for a confirmation from Chase regarding your transfer. Monitor your account to ensure the transfer is processed correctly. Remember that payments may still be due on both cards during the promotional period. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.